In this video, I'll show you how to make Reels on Canva. First, log into your Canva account and then go to the template section, clicking here, and now search Reels. R-E-E-L, that's Reels, or Instagram Reels. So Reels, Instagram, okay. And this is the options, or we can search Instagram Reels. Instagram Reels, search here. So you will see there are a lot of Instagram reels available. These all are templates. You can go with any of them, or you can start with a blank template or blank canvas. So first I will show you how to use any of the template. So first choose your template, which type of Instagram reels or Facebook reels you want to create. So these all are the video with animated text or animated elements. So first check each one and select what type of or what template you want to use to generate your reels. Let's say I want to use this template, or I want to use, let's say, a very straightforward. Let's say I want to use this template. So click on it and it will pop up to option to customize the template. Now click customize this template button and it will open the template. So these templates consist with only one scene. If you want to add another scene, you can click here and add your own scene. So let's say first let's play the reels from here. If you want to change the text, just click on the text and you can change the text from here. This, let's say, this is amazing thing, keep going, or something else. You can change the template text and you can change your Instagram user ID with, let's say, first here you can place your own logo or your own Instagram username, let's say, like this, and you can edit the text from here or everything. If you want to change the video footage, you just need to click on the video and now click the elements and search what type of video you want to insert on your Instagram reels. Let's say I want to insert a video like motivation, motivation, and click on video section, and there are a lot of videos available here. Choose one of them. Let's say I want to choose this one, and first drag it and just wait until it hold to your reels. So it is completely placed. Now play it. You can adjust the template. Let's say I want to preview this portion. So now play again. You can add or change the audio portion. So this is the audio. You can replace the audio with Canva's audio library. So let's say now I want to add a audio or background music with it. Motivation, and these are the audio. If you want to change this audio, just first remove the audio section and now the audio library. Let's say I want to add this and click here and adjust with your video footage and play it again. If you want to add another scene, you can click here, add page, and add your preferred video. Again, you can upload your video from the upload section. Just click here and upload your own footage. Or if you want to use from Canva graphics library, then click here and search, let's say, inspiration. section. So let's say I want to use this one. Okay, now adjust it. So I think it's done. Now just play. Now select the portion you want to keep. There are two bars here. You need to choose which portion you want to keep in this scene, because you don't want to use the full video footage here in your reel. If you want to keep full footage, you can, but if you want to add a portion of this footage, then you should adjust or remove or trim the portion you want to add it here. You can also add text to the second scene. Just click here and add your text. My motivation, and change the text font. Let's say I want to use this font, or I want to use this font. So I think this font is okay, and now I want to change the color and want to color with this color. So if you want to add animation, you can also add text animation. Just click on the text and click the animation section. There are different types of animation here. You can choose the animation style. So let's say I want to choose this style of animation. Once everything is done, now it's time to download your Rails. Just click here. Once everything is done, just click here and click the download button and just download your reel. So this is the first method. If you want to go with a reel template, this is the method you want to use. And another way, if we want to use from a raw canvas, then first click the create button, select the size you want to create, click the custom size, and for reels, first portion is 1080 and the second portion is 1920, and click here. So this is the canvas you want to add your reel. Now you can just click here to find your template from the library, or you can just use any of the text or image. Let's say I want to create my reels with image. So motivation, and now I want to add photo, motivation related photo. Let's say I want to use this photo for this image, and now adjust the photo with it. If you want to add text, click the text. Let's say this is my life. Change the color of the font. I'm making it white. Change the font. So I want to add this font. And if you want to add animation, just select your text, and again you can add animation here. And if you want to add music, you can add music from the audio section and select your music. Let's say I want to add music on motivation. Add the music here, and the section you want to keep the music, you can adjust the section. Once everything is done, you can preview from here. Or if you want to animate the text, let's say I want to add this one, and once everything is done, just check the preview. And if you want to now download it, just click here and just click the download button. If you want to add any footage or video, just remove the image and click here the element section and add a motivation related video here. Let's say I want to add this video. So click it here. Now you can either set video as background and play the video. Just click here. Or if you want to now adjust it, let's just double click on it and adjust the portion you want to add. Or if you want to add another video, let's say I want to add this video, you can just drag it, and once you can adjust the portion. So this is good. Now you can check the preview. Once everything is done, just click the share button and download your reel. So I shared all of the techniques. Either you want to create reels from a template, or you want to create a reel from a static image, or if you want to create reels from a raw canvas. I shared every types of methods. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, please subscribe my channel. If you have any question, throw the comment below. I will read and reply your comment.